that, and as a matter of fact, I did not check if there are any napupunta si Mas dito, no? Are there like warm welcome for him, or there are some demonstrations? This meeting, maybe something to do with the whole America now is aware we're at war. Ang Mao dito medyo we are high alert, so medyo we try to calm. So I see any kind of demonstrations or any kind of meeting with Filipino groups for this particular trip of the President of the Philippines.
Yes. Parang natatandaan ko kasi, Ma'am Marisa, na meron po nangyari pong parang mga strike or protest with our nurses at may maila po tayong mga Philippine nurses. Of course, karamihan po dyan na demand para po sa pong mga benefits, para po sa pong pangailangan. Baka yan din po yung isa po sa mga nais pong ibigay para siguro mapakiusap, maging middleman natin Pangulo to US President Trump, ma'am.
That's an excellent analysis, Bombo Framey. Yes, it's not too long ago na a lot of nurses, majority of Filipino nurses are in America, and of course, prominent area is New York, and did have that big demonstrations. Marami dito yung mga demonstrations that is enacted kung if the President of the Philippines wants to highlight that. But dito alone, they have a lot of different options, different powers to be able to demonstrate. Lalo na nga in demand ang nurses, they can command prices, they can command better working conditions, and a lot of it is better pay. Kasi they are, with all the AI coming in, nobody can replace what a nurse would do. And another thing that they have the capability to be able to raise whatever concerns they have, it's because we have shortage of nurses. So, but for the President of the Philippines to be involved with that, we are very love country for caring. America, nurses here are very, very big, lalo na nga Filipino community. Filipino nurses are known to be one of the top quality nurses in the country. So, Americans really admire Filipinos, and we have the most nurses. All the nations, the Philippines have the most nurses in this country, and strongly it's around the world.
Yes.
Kasi we produce high quality nurses, and ang matalino ang mga nurse natin, at saka talagang iba pag galing sa Philippines, talagang high quality galing dyan. So, but I'm hoping that another thing, since the labor secretary with him, I hope also the president will highlight and negotiate about the welfare and the working conditions of all the OFWs. As you know, been to Hong Kong recently and some other Asian countries. Their OFW working conditions, those countries are terrible. Sa quality sa standard ng America, they're considered slaves. Like I've talked to a lot of people when I was in Hong Kong, like they're 14-hour days for 6 days, 1 day off, and then 2 weeks vacation for 2 years.
Yes.
I mean, I would like the President and the Philippines to be very strong and coming to the US to highlight, workers natin sa Saudi Arabia. But I would like also for the country and the Philippines to highlight the OFW in Asian countries. And not only the Arabian, Asian countries, the whole world, because we are the largest provider of caregivers and OFW workers, and I hope that the President will highlight as well. Nahilang yung mga nurse dito, hindi lang yung OFWs sa Saudi Arabia that are affected by war, but around the world, especially in Asian countries like Hong Kong, they're treated. I don't think they're treated very well. Besides the fact that even I'm there, you could tell that they treat you like you're.
Yes.
So I would like to highlight Filipinos to be respected, whether they are OFW, nannies, caregiver, domestic workers, or nurses, or doctors. I'd like the Philippines to be highlighted as one of the high quality people in the world.
Yes. Ma'am Marisa,